very important to store seeds because seeds are becoming ridiculously expensive, and not only that, it's scarce.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. This morning I'm gonna do a little tour of the front garden, really for Stasia's front garden that she has here. Really a kitchen garden. So right now we have, these are eggplants that I transplanted about a week and a half ago into the garden. As you can see, they're growing pretty decently, I would say. They're definitely not too bad. I'm just not impressed with how the leaves are looking. I sprayed it yesterday with some neem oil, so we'll see how that goes. One of the things that we want for this particular portion of the garden is that we're not going to use anything artificial on it. I also put some chicken manure on it. We're only using organic stuff, no chemical spray or fertilizer. This is a pepper, look like a bell pepper. You can see that there's one there. So yeah, I planted probably about a dozen holes of these eggplants. It's the first time we're experimenting with eggplants, so we'll see how that goes. And it's not something that we cook with a lot, but it's something that we definitely intend to be using in the future a lot because it's very versatile and it can definitely add to the diversity of your meal. So these are cabbages here, and you can see that it started to fold a little already here. I think this one is also folding as well if you look closely down there. And then we have a third cabbage up here, so this one is not doing so hot. Seems like the worms had a field day here because the leaves are really damaged, so I also sprayed it, so we'll see how it goes. And all of them get manure, chicken manure yesterday, so hopefully that will help them to be a little bit more healthy and stuff like that. And I'm gonna actually water them with some water that Stasia made with scraps and stuff. I can show you that later. It smells terrible, but it's really very good for the plants. And these are sweet potato. So we have a couple of sweet potato that we planted from scraps from the kitchen. Literally, Mama G just came and she threw the scraps over here and them catch. Probably about half a dozen of them. One over there, there's one here, and two down here. So yeah. And then this morning again, I'll go under here. I planted some garlic. So if you can see, these are garlic, the shoots. Planted about maybe about 10 or so. And then I'm gonna put them in the shade because I know that they do well in the cool. So we'll see how they go. This is the first time we're planting garlic for ourselves too. And all we did was we just got some garlic from the kitchen that was already sprouting, and we put them in water for a couple of days so that they can root. And then once we get some healthy looking roots, we transplanted them into the ground. And these are some corns that I planted last week. Maybe a little bit over a week now, to be honest with you. Yeah, probably closer to 2 weeks. And I planted these and they're doing great. So we'll see. All of these got manure yesterday, so that's gonna be interesting to see what happens with these. But these are looking much better than the cabbages and even the eggplant. They just look very healthy and they're flourishing. Got some rain last night, so I didn't water them this morning, but I'll probably water them later this evening as well. Because something is eating the leaves of my cabbage. Here's a single pop chow. Here we left this one to seed, so we can have seeds for the next crop. It's very important to store seeds because seeds are becoming ridiculously expensive, and not only that, it's scarce. So definitely want to be able to have a good storage of seeds going forward. Then there's a beet right there, a single beet. We planted about a dozen or so beets and only one catch, so it's kind of the prize bowl. So we're hoping to see if we can get some beets. I'm definitely going to plant some more in the future because I like beetroot. This is a soursop tree, so that is good. Then we have the passion vine running on the fence. Beared quite a bit of passion for us this year, so that's exciting. And then we have our lychee. You can see it's springing up, so I'm really hoping that next lychee season we can start seeing some blossoms. I don't know if I'm being too hopeful, but we'll see. But it's doing well. Lots of new growth on it, as you can see. But if I'm going to be honest, it's probably going to be another 2 years before we see anything from this, but I'm hoping for 1 year. So yeah, so that's a little tour of Stasia's kitchen garden. It's coming along quite well. I have some suckers that I want to actually add to it because there's some space for other things to go that I can plant. So maybe by the end of the week I can put some suckers in there. Let's say hi to the dogs. Morning. What's up, Simeon? Samson. Always trying to put his head through the hole. What's up, boy? Gonna have to wash their house this weekend for sure. And probably give them a shower as well, right? Simeon, sit. Good boy. Samson, sit. Good boy. Alright, let's see what these suckers look like. So I have some tomatoes here. These are not ready yet. Maybe next week. And I planted some, what did I plant here? Melon, watermelon, and also the other half I planted with kale. And then these cucumber are the ones that I'm thinking I may be able to transplant at some point this week. So we'll see how it goes. We'll definitely let you know when we do that and to see the progress. And then we had, well, my wife planted some seeds here, but I don't know what's going on. I still water them, so we'll see if anything pops up. And here we have some volunteer pumpkin. These just kind of grow and they're blossoming, so we may be able to get pumpkin from them. We'll see. Nobody really planted these. They just kind of grew on their own. So we'll see how it goes. Alright guys, thank you for coming along for the tour of the little front garden that Stasia is in charge of, that I'm helping out with. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video. Have a blessed day.